Hi guys, welcome to Sit on My Bits and another little video on cryptomasterbot. I had a massive response yesterday where on my video where I made £2 in just under 5 minutes. A lot of people asked me about it, so I thought I'd do another video today. As you can see, I've been placed a few more trades. I've got my total profit now up to 120 grand, almost 121 grand. Like I say, I've had loads of withdrawals out of this, no problems at all. I did have a bit of a losing streak today, so I put it down to $100. Then I've had the losing streak carried on, but I've placed another few trades here at $100, and they've all come in. So I'm now going to pop it up to 200, and we'll see how it goes. And it's very, very simple to use. It really is. You know, if you're looking for an auto trader, this is probably the best thing. It's the best thing I use, the nearest thing to an auto trader, like I said before. But it isn't an auto trader. They give you the signals, as you can see, that come up here, and then you trade on the ones you want to trade on. But it is that simple. Just click on the signals. I mean, like you see here, they don't always get it right, but as you can see in the profit, it does work. So I started off with, I think, $500. So yeah, it's a nice little bit of profit from that. But yeah, I'll just place a few trades. So I'll put it up. I had a losing streak. I kept it at $100. Then I say I had another 3 losses here. I've noticed with this that it tends to be good and bad. So if you get a good run or you get a bad run. So if I normally get sort of 3 losses, then I'll turn it off. But yeah, as you can see there, I've got a few that are coming over $100. So I'm going to pop that up to $200 and replace some more. So what's that? The dollar against a franc, the Aussie against a Canadian, Aussie against a franc, and the dollar against a yen. So there's 4 trades there, 3 puts and 1 call, and we'll see how we get on with those. So let's just wait for them to come in. If you wanna check this out for yourself, there is a link below this video that will take you straight to the home page. Check it out for yourself before you sign up and see what you think. But for me, it's performing really well. Obviously, you know, you might have a different broker. It could, the brokers might be slightly different, but overall, it is performing very, very well. And there's a lot of signals coming in today as well. But I'm just gonna say, because I've had a bit of a rough patch today twice, I'm just gonna take it a little bit easy. All right, let's wait for them to come in. 2 of 1, lovely. I'll wait for that last one. Oh, 1 lost, but 3 won. So I'll keep it at $200. Do some more. The Aussie against the New Zealand, Aussie against the US dollar, Euro against the pound, pound against the US dollar. Do another 4. See what happens. I mean, as good as these bots can be, you're always going to get losing trades. It's the name of the game. You know, the markets can change very, very quickly. But as long as you're never going to get something that's 100%. But as long as your wins outweigh the losses, then it doesn't really matter. I don't mind, taking a hit now and again if I've got. But like I've said before, like anyone that follows me, I'll start off low, say $25. When I've got enough profit from that to go at $50, and then $100, and so on, until I can hit it with big trades like $400 or $500, and then you get obviously a bigger risk, but a massive return. Right, here we go. Let's see what's happening here. Oh fuck, another one's lost. Well, if there had been 3 losses there, I'd knock it on the head, but I'll carry on. I'll do 2 just in case. I'm going to put another withdrawal through as well, get that down to maybe $3 grand, $3 grand balance to carry on trading with. So I'll put another withdrawal through. But so I've had no problems with the withdrawals at all. They go through very quickly. Now, if one of these loses, I'm going to leave it for a bit. Like I always say, if you get, you know, if it starts to look a bit dodgy and you're getting a couple of losses, I always knock it on the head and come back later. Yes, one's lost, so I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to knock it on the head because it's a bit volatile. But overall, I know there are some losses there, but you're always going to get losses. But overall, the wins are, you know, the success rate is far better. Say from 500 quid to 120, almost 122 grand. Who's going to argue with that? Very pleased with that. But because I've had a few losses here, I'm going to leave it for a bit. I'll probably do it again a bit later on. But yeah, I'm going to knock it on the head just because. But if you want to check it out for yourself, there is a link below this video. Have a good Halloween. Don't forget, subscribe. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up as well. But yeah, what I'll probably do is come back on a bit later and place some more trades. But if it's a bit volatile like that, you don't know what could happen. So I'm going to knock it on the head. But like I said, you always get losing trades. With this, the wins are out, you know, far better than the losses, as you can see with the profit. But yeah, know when to stop. Know when to stop. Don't get greedy. And yeah, I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. Thank you.